Hi everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So, finally guys, Christmas celebration or party during this season has all been set and well prepared, and finally natapos na rin. So, super busy guys, super busy ang aking holidays and yung mga araw ko guys. Kaya siguro bihira na ako nakakapag-upload ng video sa YouTube, but soon expect it na marami ng sunod-sunod na video na darating or ma-upload. So everyone, hope you to enjoy the holiday this season and hope Christmas spirit will remain in our hearts every day, not just this season but sa lahat ng pang-araw-araw nating or everyday life. Yeah, everyday life. So, thank you again. Thank you for your endless support to my channel. Thank you so much. And if you are new, guys, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, big shout out to my channel members, Fantastic Kiko, Hernan Fernandez TV, and Anan Austria. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong support, sa walang sawang suporta. And please, if you do like the video or any of my videos, please do share it to your social media platform or to your YouTube community. Right, YouTube community. So again, thank you so much. And sa mga baguhan sa YouTube, if you are new, please huwag kayong ma-discourage. Just keep uploading and sharing your videos. Think it just like a diary. Kasi sa akin, nung nag-start ako, nagsisimula ako is, iniisip ko lang is, I'll have to record my daily life like my diary guys. So, ina-upload ko yun sa YouTube and hindi na malayan, I have reached 1,000 subscribers. And about sa watch time or watch hour, it's super easy guys. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang mag-upload ng videos and later on you will realize na marami na kayong subscribers and nakumpleto na ninyo yung 4,000 watch hours. So that's just a tip guys from me. Pero depende pa rin sa inyo how you will make it. So again, thank you so much. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. See you soon again.